Hola, no, yeah.
Back at it again!
Back again with another video.
Extreme Day Challenge come back again.
No.
A long time I don't want to
series there, of course.
Oh, for the new people, the new subs, them just click the playlist as a challenges to watch Extreme Day Challenge them. I listen to the rules them, but now we are going to do a challenge. We have a challenge plan for them, but we say we want to do it as an Extreme Day. So remember the rules them. If you don't know the rules them, go watch the last video them. Just click the playlist challenge. You see me I say, anybody who new, just hit subscribe and touch the bell, cause we're there. You see me, what you have to say?
Basically, that one you go mad. It's hot. You get it? It's hot. You can understand what I mean by that after.
Them see it me already, man.
Oh yes.
Yes, so guys.
Yeah.
We're doing the rock paper scissors now.
Ready.
That's one of the rule them. The next we'll have for something about Instagram. Big socks. Yeah, anyways, so I do the rock paper scissors to see who actually get for the idea. So we probably gonna know before we do it anyways because the thumbnail. But anyways, ready. So rock paper scissors, you ready, dog? You ready for it?
Ready.
What if we are show? We are show people. Ready? Rock paper scissors. Yeah!
Paper you know, get paper then man. You see me I say, come here. Paper man. What going this up? You see what going? Put them up on paper, I'm social people. Put them done. Where's that? Where the paper scissors? You know, walk here. This is how I work with. Show them this. Go away. Can't show some of them there. So this is how I work with, you see me? That's work for 2 months straight or 1 year. How long?
About 6 months.
Buy some while ago, see it's sealed.
Sealed. When you can't see a trick, we are chicken.
What is now? Oh, somebody wanna use already?
Yeah, so you can see a real
Long time them a
thing. Open it, dog. When I stink up the place.
No. So basically, we're blend up the whole one of them. Yeah. Paper smoothie. Alright, man, gone. Hold on. More ingredients there. More ingredients. What you want? What do you want? Tomato? This is for the taste, brother. Barbecue sauce. Okay. This is for add flavor to the alright. So make it more. What is my final? I put curry in it. What Parmesan cheese? No, but just put it for everything we eat. Everything. Every meal I cook, I use this like this. Start right for your food. Start right for your food. Zimmy.
Papa. Ready?
No. We are sound.
So watch it now. I'm not stop feeling at all. You see me I say, work for your thing. Work for your sauce because you are drinking. I'm not touch that.
Bomba, the thing so tight. Bomba, it stink. You smell that, dog?
Bomba clean. Dog. That stinker.
Let me get a spoon there quick.
Spoon? Man, that was spoon.
Stop with me, man.
Dog. That was a special
dog. Bomba. One, two, man.
How much I put in there?
How much you know? 20? No, sir. Bomba.
Man, I've been bad for it.
Touch it. Oh shit.
Man, the pig socks, I joke. This is my girl, you know.
It makes me feel good at night.
Straight up. I'm sorry for you. You use water?
Watch out, man. I open the seal, you know. So the car so we switch out the smoothie for something else. So I'm telling you,
Just buy.
this just by watch it.
Get pepper stink that.
Ready?
Throw it in there. So I go on. What I throw it in there?
Yeah.
Come on, look up on the camera. Look on the camera, brother.
I'm there, dad. Man, spotlight, man. Holy
Hold on. No.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for you. Yeah. I'm sorry for you. Then, man, I pink socks.
He's in the lag. They are exposed before, brother.
Ketchup.
And them one, yeah? Oh, gosh.
Drop 1 or 2 of them in there, man. Yeah.
One brown one. Them brown, my face say them brown and hot taste, you know. Boom, bomb, the bit sip paper.
Yo, except for the smell of where I smell right now, people. My sorry for you.
through the camera. Watch it. No, not yet.
Yo.
We're not ready for that.
I'm sorry for you, man. That's all me can.
Jump in the barbecue sauce.
That now the taste of the pepper will kill you. You not gonna taste the barbecue.
Let's take off all the kind of spice. I want it, dad.
You know if you take off now, that I think you don't want to see it there. Sorry for him. Yo, you have to go throw it in one glass.
Run belly too.
You have to go throw it in one glass because you know, man, I tell people on the camera.
Cheese.
Man, I put cheese. Hey, I running belly letter.
Of course, belly I go run
I'm say,
like river.
belly run. The rest of me not stop the video. I not stop it because I want to see everything actually real.
Dah put 2 carrot in minute and dah move tadi. Alright, start.
Come here, dad.
He make it himself. Camera, right?
Put 2 carrot in, dad.
Dia put 2 carrot in minute.
Can you throw some of the thing in there? Yes. Let me drink this before this ball up my mouth, cause this is the last good tasting thing we're going to have right now. That sounds shaky, but you get you get what I mean. You get what I mean.
We get it, man. Yeah, throw it in there.
I feel like we can taste the pepper already.
Throw it in there.
Oh gosh.
Baba.
Nah. But I mix up.
That it just
Show them
smells
the
right.
ingredients. Show them the ingredients, yes, man.
So,
done.
So the ingredients them now, you have the good old tomato ketchup. You have, you can't not you want to touch this, but you have the 1 year salt pepper. What else?
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce. Parmesan cheese. Yeah, cheesy. Yes.
Right, we put them. Okay.
That's the thing, socks.
Last one is the nice grease.
You realize that the whole that we use?
Whole. Easy na that.
You should have pepper them for your tummy. You say so.
Bumba for you.
Come here. Come here. Oh dear, that killed them. Anyway, you know, so the bait I'm trying to turn on grass and things.
Yeah.
So, my bait up anyway, isn't it?
no fluke in the night, brother. Do you that, boss? Blend up it.
Oh damn, that's it.
Yes. Top there. I press it on the hang. No. Hold on. Stop it. Go so go. So watch it now. Him go. I'm sorry for him.
Come in there. The last part of the video come on to say real. Brother, I'm smelling a while ago, brother. Choke me, brother. Hey, for good. The man say, I'm telling me I choke. Something wrong with him. I'm sorry for him. Hey, start with water, brother. What's your man glass? Try my glass. Put some pepper in your feet, Tommy. No, anyways.
Like smell like that. More catch a side. More catch it. Hold on.
Yes! Nah, but this! I'm scared. Yo, guys, I'm sorry. We're sorry for this.
What? Yeah, eat it.
We're not doing this. We're not doing this. Yo, God, my yard.
How far y'all there?
Right, come try. So we're gonna put the ingredients to the side. We're done with it. Yeah, we're done with the ingredients then. Anna kill me, brother. Next time. You can't use the Anna daddy. Anna kill me. Just please follow. You understand me? Just so I'm going to say something real. I want to figure it out. Look at my Anna. Check. My Anna herb about see that show. I'm gonna put the ingredients before we come drink it. My name is can't the scent dog.
If you can't manage to send, I'm going to drink it, alright?
And you gonna drink it on me?
Oh, me, I got some of that, man.
So people want to tell them to subscribe. Eat the bell. But I'm not going to change it.
No, cheers up. Up to the dog, yeah. Up to go. Now you can lay the dog.
Go on, put up, man. People, someone want. Nobody throw that yet. Put up something else.
It's done. I throw
Everybody
this over,
want to hit subscribe. Everybody who new hit subscribe and touch the bell. Me I beg you, please subscribe and share the video with a friend. Make them see the ugly one. Come show it out. Hold on.
God, dog. Oh my gosh.
Come do for something, dog. Yeah.
Dog, it stink. Brother.
Yeah, that's too much. Yeah, drink one of that.
Dog. Brother. No, dog.
So people.
Subscribe. What you want? Can't smell it work. Sorry, I'm working today. Yeah, brother. Ready? Man, I prepare for run. Man, I prepare for run. Man, I go pull it gate. Man, I prepare for run. Man, I prepare for run. Man, I go pull it gate. So, man, you come here, sweat.
Phone on a ring.
Phone on a ring.
Nakala.
Wala wa kay man. Wala phone na.
Vanessa.
Masay. May mati one stop the video. Man, stop the video. No, like a fast forward the part. Answer the phone. Answer the phone.
Not come straight, man.
Alright, come in. Time to drink.
Time to drink, man.
Time to
Kill
drink.
myself.
Put it like that. Oh gosh, man, I hurt. Then what I can fast forward. Yeah, fast forward.
Shit, dog.
Alright. Shit. Yes.
Man, I want to get.
Damn it, dog.
Hold on.
Oh, crap.
It's time. Me say me get a good angle.
I'm actually afraid so I'm gonna drink it and take so hot, I'm gonna drop and broke the glass. I'm afraid, dog.
Come. Hold on. Get the angle. Me get the angle. Hold on. See angle. She want the pink stuff over like a girl.
Billa,
Want
dog.
a good angle, people. Yes. And I stir it up like a juice.
Ah, nah, I can't do it, dog.
Brother.
Man, you can't do it, man. You will throw me dead.
Well, I'm going
I
to
don't have children yet, brother.
Go like the video.
Billa, dog. Yeah! never realize. Alright, ready. Shoot, nah, no, big man thing. Alright, man, just leave.
After 3. 1, 2, 3. Fuck the fuck, yes.
Man, dad,
come. No, so yeah, drink a bit of water, drink it.
Reject it, dad.
Drink it. Drink it. No! Oh gosh. Oh no. Alright people. We see with it. Wow, guys, this has been a great edition of the Extreme Beer Challenge, guys. I want to thank you all for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, please hit subscribe, please share the video with a friend and the man knockout. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you all for watching, people. Subscribe, comment what you think of the video. Suggest any other comment Extreme Beer Challenge you know how to do, guys. Thank you very much, guys. Peace out, y'all.